All right, traffic. One last look at the traffic. Goes forever. All the way back to the church there. The school slow it down real good, and then that working on that highway slows it down too. Good morning.
And now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! And the Happy New Year!
And the Happy New Year. Christmas time in the Philippines.
Good, good.
Huh? Yeah. Hey! Hey! Traffic. Hey! I'm about wore out to talk, guys, but I didn't see June there, but there's the boy, I guess. Donde está Santa Claus, the guy with all the hair on his jaws? He's running down the street with no shoes on his feet. They're fixing that place up a little bit. Looks like. Working anyway. On something. Back to the graveyard, guys. About to my rest spot. Which is now, I cross that other street. Yeah. Cross the street. Almost to my rest spot. Just about to make it. Might have to take me about 5 minutes here. For show. Hope I'm getting all this. Beautiful day. It's a little overcast here and there, but it looks like it's going to clear out in a little while. Back that way, it looks like it's going to clear out. Over that way, kind of dark. Yeah, I believe it's going to clear out. A little bit more sunshine, it'll just burn it all off. No rain today, I don't think. I was thinking it might be because it was cloudy when I came down here. But here's my rest spot. Anyway, guys, let's see here.